If you're looking to get the most out of your CRM system, specifically TeamGate, then you're probably wondering how to effectively use call logging. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use call logging in TeamGate CRM to streamline your communication and boost productivity. Let's dive in. First things first, TeamGate CRM has built-in call logging features that let you track all your phone calls, whether they're incoming or outgoing. This is crucial for keeping an accurate history of your customer interactions, so you never lose track of key conversations or details. Next thing you'll want to do is make sure your TeamGate account is synced with your phone system. This is where you connect your business phone lines to the CRM. Depending on the phone system you use, you may need an integration or a simple app that connects to TeamGate. It's pretty seamless once you get everything set up, and you'll be able to see call logs directly within your CRM interface. Moving on, once your phone system is synced, the magic happens automatically. When you make a call, TeamGate logs the time, duration, and other key details. You don't have to manually input anything, which means fewer chances of errors and more time to focus on other tasks. The fourth thing you want to know is that TeamGate allows you to add notes to each call log. This is a game changer because you can document key takeaways from your conversation, next steps, and follow-up reminders all in one place. By adding these notes directly to your call logs, you can easily refer back to them when needed. Next, you have the option to categorize and tag your calls in TeamGate. This is especially useful if you need to organize calls by project, customer type, or urgency. With the ability to segment your calls, your CRM becomes a lot more useful when tracking progress with clients or leads. Now, let's talk about reporting. TeamGate CRM allows you to pull reports that include your call logs. This is super helpful for tracking the overall performance of your sales or customer service teams. You can analyze the data to see trends, like how many calls were made, their outcomes, and which employees made the most calls. The last thing I'll mention is the limitations of TeamGate CRM's call logging. While it's solid for basic call tracking, there's no advanced automation for follow-up calls or detailed integrations with advanced telephony systems. If your team requires a more robust call management system, you might find yourself looking for a better fit. Now, here's the kicker. If you're after more advanced call logging features that also include integrations with CRM systems like Salesforce or HubSpot, you might want to check out the competition. We've looked at several other CRMs that offer better call management, more flexibility, and deeper integration options. That brings us to the end of this overview of TeamGate's call logging features. But before you go, I've got a special offer for you. We've got an exclusive and extended free trial for TeamGate, and as a bonus, we're sharing some amazing alternatives that are better suited for specific goals, like more advanced call logging and automation. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. By using the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check it out now and see which CRM truly fits your needs.